Okay, hello traders, this is the Wolf with another tutorial video on the market pressure series, and in this video we're going to talk about trigger points and potential pressure trigger points and how actually price triggers from certain levels to help you understand market pressure better. So before that, let me do the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So currently we're on the USD CHF OTC market, and I like to use the OTC market to explain to you pressure better, because in the OTC market you get a lot of good pressure waves. So let's look at the market. So first let's plot some major key levels or major round numbers and how we can use it to do some pressure trades. So like I told you, we're going to look a bit deeper into market pressure, and like I told you in the previous video, you need to understand the correlation between pressure and SNR, and from there we can actually understand the market better. So based on current price action, this is a body reversal, it's a good level. I'm going to plot the body. Okay, we have a potential breakout of this round number. You see buyers coming in. Okay, strong rejection there. So you need to understand live candle analysis, and you see the moment it rejected, price immediately came back up to the level. So we can't do a call trade. This level is holding at the moment. Currently the market direction is down, so you need to take note of the current direction of the market or the trend. So this is the major level which the market reversed from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, but based on this candle, even though it's rejected and going down, when you look at this engulfing, actually this minor direction is actually upwards. So but the major trend, the trend is currently coming down, but because of this engulfing, you know that the direction price buyers could be triggered from around here. So if we see a good trigger, the buying pressure has been broken. So we have to see the live candle behavior. Okay, didn't get the entry. So that confirmed that the buyers will try again. This candle, even though it's red, this is actually a buying pressured candle, because you saw the way the buyers actually tried to break this level and failed twice, because the SNR broke the pressure, but the pressure is still there. So let's see. So now the sellers broke, selling pressure is strong because the SNR broke the buying pressure. If we get a rejection, we can actually do a put trade following the downward direction. So let's see. We need confirmation, which we're not getting at the moment. No rejections. So let's see. For 5 seconds. Okay, I'm going to do a call trade instead of a put trade, because on this live candle, it showed me that this was a fake breakout and that the buying pressure has picked up again. So this is a pressure trade despite this candle breaking the SNR level. This is a pressure trade, and you can see the buying pressure was triggered again. Based on the live candle, the way it rejected or pushed forward showed me that the buying pressure is strong, and the buyers will try again. So we wait for low entry point. Hopefully the market comes back at least 50%, and we can easily do a call trade following this green candle pressure direction. But we know that this SNR is strong at the moment because it was able to break the strong buying pressure. So we might get a retrace on this candle. So let's see, we plot this body reversal, potential body reversal. You can see rejection coming from below, and you can see buying pressure kicking in. You saw that push in price. So we are now in an uptrend. Now we are having a buying wave. So we can actually, so this is what I mean by spotting trigger points. The price was triggered from this level. So we can do a continuation trade. Okay, this level is just too strong. Even though we had good buying pressure, so this level we cannot use pressure to trade this level. This level is very strong. So let's look at this candle to see if buyers try again. So what I want you to understand, okay, you cannot just trade a breakout blindly. So yeah, this broke. And if you look closely, this body closed exactly at the wick level. So it's not considered a breakout yet. And you had a gap going lower. So this is where a lot of traders fall for the gap. And they would do a put trade. And you see there was a huge buying pressure wave entry from here. So when this candle failed to break, it shows us that this level is a very strong level. It's a major key level. Market is in some kind of a range at the moment. And you can see why this level is very strong. You had a fake breakout here. Wait, let me just plot this body reversal for you to see. So you have quite a few body reversals here. One body reversal, two body reversal, three inside this area. And you can see there's a lot of resistance here which was able to break the buying pressure. And you can see, so from this area, what you can see from current price action, buyers are being triggered here, sellers are being triggered here. So this is something like a mini range, like what I've explained to you before. So actually, to understand pressure is actually the opposite of SNR. So when you look closely of how candle behaves around the SNR levels, and you can actually see where and how the pressure comes in, whether you can use that pressure to actually do continuation trades, or if that pressure candle is a breakout candle, how you can actually do continuation trade based on trend direction or market direction. So this is basically what I want to explain to you in this video. I hope you understand what am I talking about. And let's watch a few more candles before I end this session. So this is what I want you to understand in this video, and we'll cover a bit more about other things pertaining to market pressure in the next few videos. So let's just see if I can be able to show you another pressure trade based on what's happening in the market. So we have a good range here. So we got to wait for this range to finish. So what you need to also understand is, while waiting in this type of range, you can actually look out for strong pattern formations like a double top or double bottom to actually help you to confirm the pressure. So these are very strong patterns that you can use. So let's see another one or two live candles to see if market will get out of this range. And so live candle analysis is also very important, and I will cover live candle analysis, most probably live candle analysis on how to detect pressure on the live candle in the next video. So this is what I basically want you to understand in this video about potential SNR levels, and to see how the SNR level can actually trigger price in the direction of the market to create pressure. So basically what it means from a psychological aspect is that these are the levels where the buyers or sellers are waiting to enter. So like example, now we are waiting for the market to break out of the range. I'm pretty sure that we are not the only one who's waiting for the market to break out of the range. There's a lot of traders who's waiting for the market to break out of this range to do a continuation trade. So these are the kind of levels where people are looking to buy or sell. So this is the psychology of why you get suddenly a strong trigger of pressure in a particular direction at certain levels. So currently, based on this consolidation that's happening, market is trying to go up. This level is very strong. So let's see this live candle if the buyers have what it takes to push the price higher. So let's see. So currently the market is downwards. So we're having some sort of a consolidation area here. The overall direction is upward direction, and previously it ranged here when this is the highest point, and you can see the breakout is coming. Okay, so we just need a rejection from below. We can actually do a call trade. Okay, wait for it. Okay, that was the rejection that we were looking for, but the moment it rejected, there was a quick rejection back from the sellers, but I'm pretty sure that the market will go up and this candle will be an ITM. So I'll close the session and this video with this trade. So this is what I mean, and you can see the previous strong level. So we know that this level was the key level, strong level, and this acted as a trigger point to trigger price upwards. But there is some strong resistance above, but we've already plotted the highest point of this range of SNR. We have a body reversal here, which will also act as a support, and you can see this. We have this key level, key level, key level. So we have three types of support that is actually protecting and helping the buyers to trigger the price upwards. So with this, let me end the video. So if you like the video, do a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I will talk more on the next tutorial video on market pressure, and we will go into a bit more details. Sorry for the delay for such a long time before making this video, because I was doing a lot of thinking, and it's not easy to explain market pressure in a way that it's easy for everybody to understand. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understand a bit better about how market pressure can, and which are the levels which you can actually expect a potential trigger in the current market direction. So with that, this is the Wolf signing out. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.